The image you have of Saturn is wrong. And in this video, we're going to show you why. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, go ahead and hit that like button, because the NASA discoveries we're about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew. Ready? The first piece of evidence that Saturn has been fooling us is at its North Pole. It's not a mountain, it's not a canyon, it's a storm. But not just any storm. It's a hurricane with 6 perfectly straight sides, larger than 2 Earths. Think about it. When have you ever seen a cloud with corners? Saturn's hexagon looks almost artificial. What do you think? How can such a perfect geometric shape arise in the middle of a chaotic atmosphere? Drop your theory in the comments below. We'll read the most creative ideas. Okay, this impossible storm is already mind-blowing. But if that surprised you, wait until you hear the shocking truth about Saturn's most famous feature, its rings. They seem eternal, right? But in reality, the rings are a cosmic crime scene. Evidence shows they are incredibly young, formed from the destruction of an ancient moon. And the craziest part? The crime scene is still active. The rings are literally destroying themselves, raining down on the planet and disappearing much faster than we ever imagined. We are living in Saturn's golden age, a fleeting beauty. And this ring rain brings us to one of the boldest feats in space exploration, the moment we decided to touch Saturn. How do you explore a planet with no surface? You dive into it. In 2017, after 13 years of studying the system, the Cassini mission performed its grand finale. In a final, programmed act, the probe made 22 dives between the rings and the planet, and then it pointed its nose down and plunged directly into Saturn's atmosphere. It was a suicide mission. In its final minutes, with its antennas transmitting real-time data, Cassini tasted the composition of that ring rain and measured the atmosphere like never before, until friction and pressure tore it apart and vaporized it. It became a part of the very planet it had studied for so long. We didn't land on Saturn, we became one with it. That was our first and only in situ exploration of a gas giant. This bravery gave us data that has led to discoveries that continue to this day, and the most shocking ones are on its moons. Forget about Mars for a second. The moon Enceladus, a small ball of ice, hides a global ocean of salt water. And by flying through its geysers, the Cassini probe found the biggest clue yet in our search for alien life. Life on Earth needs 6 chemical ingredients. On Enceladus, we just confirmed the 6th and final item on the list, phosphorus. Officially, Enceladus has all the building blocks for life. And just when we thought the ocean secrets ended there, a very recent discovery from 2024 left us speechless. Mimas, the small moon that looks like the Death Star from Star Wars, which everyone assumed was a dead, solid block of ice, also hides a liquid ocean beneath its crust. An ocean that may have formed just a few million years ago. Saturn doesn't just have 1 or 2 moons with oceans, it is the lord of secret ocean worlds, drastically increasing the chances of finding life in its own backyard. If that idea gives you the chills like it gives us, consider subscribing to the channel. This is where you'll find out about the next discoveries from these ocean worlds. And finally, let's go from the search for life out there to the mystery that lies within the planet itself, the heart of Saturn. Using the rings as a giant seismograph, scientists discovered that Saturn does not have a solid core. It's a fuzzy core, a bizarre slurry of rock, ice, and gas that extends across more than half the planet. It's this strange internal engine that generates the unique magnetic field and the ghostly music that NASA recorded. Saturn's heart doesn't beat, it hums in a way that defies our models. So let's recap what we've discovered. Saturn is no quiet planet. It's a world with an impossible geometric storm, with rings that are the beautiful scars of destruction, a world that we've touched in a final dive, and most incredibly, it's the master of multiple secret ocean worlds. Saturn's great secret was its true nature, a dynamic, violent system teeming with the potential for life. The search for answers is what drives us, and it doesn't stop here. Missions like Dragonfly are already being prepared to explore these worlds. If you want to continue on this journey of discovery and be the first to know what we find, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. The next great astronomical revelation could happen at any moment. And while we wait for it, how about we explore the secrets of the most mysterious object in our solar system, Planet 9? Click the video that's popping up on the screen, and let's continue to unravel the cosmos together.